welcome once again to the MyGuru online GRE classroom. My name is Stefan and I am MyGuru's Director for Online Tutoring, and today we're going to take a look at how estimating a quantitative comparison on the GRE can be more efficient in many cases than outright calculating the exact answer for the problem. So in this case, as always with the quantitative comparisons, we want to set up our scratchpad first with the quantities written out. So here we're being asked for 54% of 360. Now, we want to always consider as well our English to math translations. And so whenever we see the term percent, that means we have to divide by 100 or shift the decimal left 2 places. Now, anytime we see the word of, that means we need to multiply. And anytime we see the words out of, that would mean we need to divide. So we can use all of these translations to work through what quantity A means mathematically. So we're looking at 0.54 times 360. Now, we're then comparing that to 150, and our answer choices are going to be the same as they always are, and you can always indicate with our little helper symbols what those answer choices mean fully. And what you want to do here is estimate rather than using the terrible calculator that the exam provides. And when you're trying to estimate percents, 10% means shift the decimal left 1 place. By 1%, by shifting the decimal left 2 places. And that by 50% means cut the value in half. And so here we just have to divide 360 by 2 to know what approximately 54% of 360 is, or 0.54 times 360. So 360 divided by 2 is just going to be 180. And we know that 180 is going to be less than 54%, but it's already greater than 150. So without fully calculating, we can confidently select B. And also, if no variables are provided in the quantitative comparison, eliminate D immediately, because even if we don't know how to specifically solve for this problem, we know that there is a certain value for both quantity A and quantity B. So D is logically impossible.